Multiplying fractions. Okay, let's look at 4 over 5 times 2 over 6. So to multiply two fractions by each other, you start by multiplying the denominators by each other. So the 6 multiplied by 5, and then you do the numerators multiplied by each other. So the 2 times 4. It helps often to take these numbers and move them into a separate equation. And then we answer them. Okay, so 4 times 2, we know that's 8, so our new numerator for our answer is 8. And 5 times 6 is 30, so the denominator for the answer is 30. So 4 over 5 times 2 over 6 is 8 over 30, but we're not done yet. We need to simplify the fraction 8 over 30. And to do that, we need to find all the common factors of each of these numbers. And all common factors are numbers that can be multiplied together to reach these numbers. We know 1 times 8 and 1 times 30 will reach 8 and 30. We know 2 times 15 equals 30. We know 2 times 4 equals 8. And we know 3 times 10 equals 30. So these are all the factors of each the numerator and the denominator. Now we need to find the greatest common factor. Well, the common factors each of these numbers have are the 1 and the 2. All the other factors are different. The greatest common factor is the 2. Now what we do is we divide the numerator and the denominator by that greatest common factor, by 2. And we know 8 divided by 2 is 4. And 30 divided by 2 is 15. So 4 over 15 is a simplified fraction from 8 over 30. And that is our answer.